Good morning, everyone. This is Kathleen, and I'm going to show you how to prepare a printed book page to write on in a journal. So in my Christmas Memories journal, I have these two book pages out of a Bible in Matthew, where it talks about Jesus being born. So I have masked that off because I want to be able to read that part, but I want this part to be journal paper. And so what I'm doing is using acrylic paint like I did on the flashcards the other day. I'm using acrylic paint to give a surface for writing. So we're going to come back to this page in a minute, but you can see that I am just protecting the other page and making a smooth surface to roll on. And then I'm also protecting this page from the paint because I don't want it to get messy. And I just have a little bit of paint over here that I'm picking up on the brayer, and then all I do is just roll that on, covering up the print of the book page. So I want just a little more white on this page. So let me get just a little bit more paint. And you kind of have to, put a little bit off first on another paper so that it doesn't, splotch, because you don't want a bunch of splotch. Now, I'm doing it with acrylic paint. You can also do it similarly with gesso. And then, wipe it down, and that also works. But okay, so now I've got, that's just about right, I think. So let me take this page off, and we'll dry that now, and then I'll show you what else we're going to do. So I like that now, how it looks. It looks less like a book page and more like a deliberate art page. And it matches this pretty digital image over here better now. And it kind of makes that more of a double spread. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this page yet. Whether I'm going to put pictures or possibly write. If I write on it, I may do this again a little bit more over onto this page. Actually, I might just do that. Put just a little. Okay, I'm going to have to create a harder surface under there. And I get just a little bit of white. Protect that and just put a little bit of, because I will probably write on it. This is a journal, not so much an art journal, but for writing my memories. And so I just kind of want to cover a little bit of that up and match this page so that I can journal on it. So then when I do the flip through of this journal, which will probably be in January, really, honestly, if I'm honest with myself, it's probably going to be in January because it's going to take me a while to do this. And I've been, although maybe, I don't know, I think I'm coming to the end of my busy. And okay, I think I'm gonna let that stand right there, because it's now neutral enough, I think, that I can write on it. And maybe do just a little collage here in the corner to kind of make something there to balance this now and make it a unified whole. Let's see. Oh, I like that. I do like that. And it's got a little paint on it now, which is kind of nice. What else do I have? It's kind of big though. I don't know. I think that might be too big for that spot. I may have to come back. Oh, here's a little something with blue on it. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm going to cut this out. This is from the Graphics Fairy. It looks like a reproduction of a cigarette card of a reindeer. Isn't that cool? So let me trim that. I think I will round the corners to decrease that kind of cut edge feel, and we'll do a little distress on the edge. Yeah, I like that. I like the blue that matches over here. And then I just need kind of a little something behind. I don't know, I'm going to probably do that later, just because I want to look for some additional things, like maybe where is oh, that would look good. Here, let's do that. I was saying, where is the tissue that I just made? That would be good. Yeah, I like it. Okay, here we go. That's what we're doing. So this is the same fabric as on that ruffle. I'm going to glue this down. And wouldn't you know, my glue is clogged. I need a toothpick. Yes, okay. There we go. Okay. I don't want it completely glued down. I want it to be kind of, to lift kind of at the edge. Let's put this down. This will leave me a little bit more writing. I did like the red Madonna, but this will give me just enough room to write more. Okay, now I just need a third item, because you know me, it's got to be odd. I need a third item. Oh, this is a brown stamp. Here's a little red. Nope, don't like the red. Well, maybe I'll surprise you. Come up with something at some point. I could do this wooden star that's been roaming around my desk. There it is. Yeah, I like that a lot. I do. I might glue that down, or I might look for a postage stamp. We'll see. I'll surprise you. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of script as a layer on top, because that's what happens when you build up layers. You've got to go from bottom to top. And yeah, you know that. I know you know that. Okay, now let's come back to this page for a minute, and I want to finish doing what I'm going to do over here. So now I need to hold that for a second. I need to get the chalks, and I need a cotton ball. And I'm going to highlight this part. And then I'm going to stamp. So let me get this back again. I'm going to do it in red. There. So there's that. And I am going to come back with some a little bit of watercolor to highlight that doodling that I've done. And this is going to be I just want it to be just a little messy. I'm not really trying, to be like yeah, I just kind of want it a little sloppy. I don't want it to look like I'm a manufacturer of book paper. I want this to look handmade. Now that's going to bleed to the other side, but I hope not too much. Okay, so let me give that a shot to dry. Extend that chalk out just a little to the edge of the page. That's not chalk, that's ink. Good grief. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. We'll come over here on this edge. Okay. All right, I like that. So now I will be able to journal a little bit right here, and then on this side. And yeah, for now I'm just going to leave that. So this green has come through just a little bit, but not too bad, and I think it will disappear under the writing. So, okay, so that spread is ready, except I need a little something here. I might dig out a little snowflake sticker or something, or maybe just splatter some white paint over there. We'll see. Anyway, but I like the way that's turned out, and it's now ready for writing. Thanks for being with me. We'll see you again.